Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a quick video on how to make a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. It's free and easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert a flash drive into an open USB port on my laptop. Now keep in mind the minimum size of the flash drive needs to be 8 gigabytes or more, and more is okay. Windows 10 procedure here in creating a bootable Windows 10 USB flash drive will format the flash drive for you, but it's been my experience in the past that sometimes it causes errors and doesn't quite work correctly, and then I have to start all over again. So I like to format it ahead of time, and that's what I recommend that you do as well. Also, keep in mind that if you have any files that you need to keep, go ahead and copy those over to another hard drive, or don't worry about it and go out to the Microsoft website here, and this is the URL link, and I'll leave that in my description. Now you can do two things here. You can either update now, which is your first option right here, but we don't want to do that. We want the second option here, download tool now. Now this allows you to download a tool which will allow you to install the Windows 10 media on a USB flash drive. And in Firefox it asked me to save the file, and I did. And if I go up here on the download arrow, I can see, and you can as well, that it didn't take long to download this little tool, the media creation tool, for version 1909. And once I click on it and execute it, it goes and tells me that it's getting things ready, and then there's a license agreement that I need to accept, and I go ahead and click on accept, and it tells me getting a few things ready once again. And once that is completed, I am then prompted with a question, what do you want to do? And by default it says upgrade this PC now. That is not what we want. We want the second option, create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. So go ahead and select that and then click on next. Then we're prompted to select a language, architecture, and edition, and by default this is good unless you want to change your language or another option there. Go ahead and click on next, and then I'm prompted to choose which media to use. Now by default is USB flash drive, and that's the one we want, so that's good. And I'm going to go ahead down here and click on next. Now here is select a USB flash drive. Now you could have more than one USB flash drive installed on your computer here. I only have one, but I'm going to go ahead and select it anyway. And once you do have it selected and highlight it, go ahead and click on next. Now keep in mind I formatted this ahead of time, so I don't need to worry about it being formatted. If you did not format your flash drive ahead of time, it will go ahead and format it for you. And most of the time it does work okay and does not give you any errors. But again, it's been my experience, like I mentioned earlier, that sometimes it won't format it correctly, and then I get an error and it doesn't work and I have to start all over again. So I do recommend going ahead and formatting your flash drive ahead of time before starting this. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading Windows 10, and it says feel free to keep on using your PC. Now keep in mind that this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to a multitude of hours to complete, and there are no other prompts that you have to answer, so you could walk away and come back in a couple of hours if you choose to see if it's going to be ready to be used. Or you can sit here and go grab yourself a cup of coffee and watch it, or use your PC, or even get a bowl of ice cream and enjoy the entertainment of watching it download and create your media for you. Now I went ahead and verified the download, and now it's creating my Windows 10 media. So basically it's installing the Windows 10 files right on my USB flash drive at this point. And once that's completed, which does take a while as well, so keep that in mind. It'll go ahead and tell me that my USB flash drive is now ready for use. And the last thing that I need to do is click on Finish. All right, we now have a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive that will allow us to install Windows 10 on any computer that we would like to. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and leave a like if you like. And remember to share.